Now see here students, next you people have to learn about the graded index multimode fiber here. So just go through the diagram here. So it is denoted as here green. Multimode graded index optical fiber is made up of here thick core. So that is of around, it is considered as 50 to 200 micrometer, and thin cladding, that is 100 to 250 micrometer. The core material has a special feature that its refractive index value decreases in radially outward direction, that is from axis, and becomes equal to that of cladding, that is at the interface. But see, refractive index of cladding here remains constant. It is designed to transmit here large number of mode of wave pulses. Light rays propagating through optical fiber in the form of helical or a spiral manner. Input light source suitable are considered here lasers and LED. So it is compared to previous two types, it is a little bit expensive. So splicing, it is done with your difficulty, means it is not easier, and it is used in high data rates, that is over relatively for long distances. Loss in the signal strength is compared to previous two types here, that is relatively less here. So this is about your graded index multimode fiber. In next part you people have to learn about attenuation and here its causes. Now see first what is attenuation here. So in simple word it is called as here, that is fiber loss here. When see the optical signal propagates through any optical fiber, that is see loss of power, and loss of power it is suffered by your optical signal as it propagates through the fiber, it is called as here attenuation. So attenuation is measured in terms of a factor called attenuation factor or attenuation coefficient, which is denoted by here alpha. And see here it is given by, that is alpha is equal to minus 10 by L log 10 of P output divided by P input, that is measured in decimal per kilometer. P output is here considered as power of the output optical signal, and see P input is here power of input optical signal, and L is the length of the fiber here. So now see causes for the attenuation, that may be due to absorption loss here, scattering loss, or it may be due to radiation loss. So just see first one, that is absorption loss. So this arises, that is due to the absorption of photons that is associated with the optical signal here. These losses are maybe either